Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn about the best Wix template for portfolio this 2025. Okay, I will also going to tell you what are the main components and main ideas if you're planning to use Wix for your portfolio. So just open the Wix website and make sure to create your account if you don't have an account yet or just log in. After that, tap on the create new site option at the top. And then we have here the studio template. So make sure to select this one. Okay, and then after that, right here at the top, of course, we have the search for portfolio. So we have here the top picks. So tap on this one. So here I'm choosing your portfolio. You have to remember your branding. So what is your branding all about? So you have to focus on that and take note that all of the portfolio template that you can find here are responsive. So you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so for example, we are going to select this one. So if you are an interior designer, so you can choose this template. So here we have the three different views. At the top, we have the desktop view, the tablet view, and the mobile view. So here, let us see if this one is responsive. So go to the tablet view as well. So it is responsive and on the mobile view. So once you're done checking the different views that you can see at the top, you just have to tap on the edit template option. Okay, so after that, just wait for a couple of seconds, and then from there, you can now start adding your own elements, all of your details to showcase your skills and your capabilities if you are using this portfolio while looking for a job online. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.